Hey guys, people of joy, and I am adopting my Clover puppy.
Now it's time to give your pet a name. Be sure it's your favorite, because it can't be changed later. And let us know if your pet is a boy or a girl.
I'm gonna make Lucky a girl.
Now it's time to enter your pet's secret code. The secret code is found on the tag attached to your website. The code must be unused, or it will not work. Remember to save your tag and keep it very secret. Your code will always prove that this account belongs to you.
Okay guys, I can't really show you the code, so I just gotta, yeah. Sorry, I'm really slow typer. Okay.
Your security, please type the secret letters you see here.
Aww. Oh my gosh. Sorry if I'm freaking out. I'm really, really excited. Oh, look at her. Name, Lucky. Birthday, November 15th. Type of pet, Clover puppy. Girl. Hi, I'm Lucky. We're going to have so much fun together. My friends say that I am creative, silly, and a whiz kid. I think that playing video games is the best. I'm pals with a brown Arabian. Want to know a secret? I love popcorn, and I've always wanted a Quizzy plush toy. Well, that's cool. Here's your certificate.
If you would like to adopt another pet, you can do so now. Otherwise,
Yeah, so thanks for watching.